Today we are making a delicious wrap, and we are using Parmesan cheese and red onions, no white flour. The first thing you do, you take a baking tray and you put some parchment paper on the bottom. Then you cover the bottom with shredded Parmesan cheese. Then you take onions, sliced onions, and you put it right on the top of the cheese. Thinner the onions are, is better. Then you put the onions on the top of the cheese. Then you sprinkle a little cheese on the top. After that, you sprinkle some dry garlic, some dry onion, a little bit of red flake, and you drizzle some olive oil. Preheating the oven, I had the oven preheating to 400, and you let it bake for 15 minutes. Then you let it cool down, and you're ready to make a delicious sandwich. You can make any sandwich you like. Today, I use my recipe from my tuna fish salad, and it was so good, my God. It was really an experience. Better we eat, better we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.